What's up everybody? This is Steve, you're watching SV's Auto, and today is part 3 of the bus body makeover. So come check it out. Alright, so I think the plan of attack today is we're going to keep tearing the trim and that off the vehicle, remove the doors, maybe pull some windows out, and if I can, get the dash out. So here we go. We get started by pulling the door panels, all the hardware off. I've done a video on panels. I'll put a tag up at the top. Removing the windows can be a bit of a challenge. You do need to remove the quarter window to get it out, and there's some trim that runs around the inner part of the window area. If you have a Bentley manual, it will help you a lot in figuring out how to get these apart. You can see you struggle a little bit trying to get that quarter window out. There's that upper part of where the seal for the window that needed to be removed before that will come out. I continue to strip the hardware from the door. I'm just going to get these things stripped down as much as possible so that when I get to paint, there's less to do at that point. The quarter window on the driver's side goes a little smoother after doing one. Kind of know what we needed to do. While Jeremy strips the hardware from the driver's door, I take the sun visors off and start getting the seat belts out of the way. Remember to tag and bag, keep organized as you do your work. Moving on, I'm going to remove the headliner from the front area.
Okay, so the doors are off, all the hardware and windows are out of the doors, all the trim pieces and that are off of them. The seats are out, the seat belts are removed. I still need to remove my disc changer, circa 1995. Both the sun visors are out, and the headliner is gone. Looks like the previous owner put some Dynamat or something, some kind of insulation up there. And so now I just have the trim in the back, and the bed, the upper bed part needs to come off. A little bit of paneling on this side, and the dash, and that's about it for trim pieces. Some lights up front, and the vent area. These louvers need to come out. This one's broken anyway. I think I'm gonna move on to the back.
Get started by removing the top folding part of the bed. I found that to access the bolts that hold the rear part down, you do need to take the upper trim off. Moving on to the sliding door, take the window out, and then I will take the panel on that's just attached with some pop type fasteners. Trim remover makes that a lot easier. As with the front doors, I'm removing the hardware from the door just so that I can speed things up later. All right, well, I think that does it for today. Let's look over what we've got. And we got the top bed off. And then all the trim around the edge, all the way around, is off. The door is off. And so that leaves the dash and the pop top. And a little bit of wiring, but mostly the dash at this point. Little bits and pieces here and there that need to be taken off, but we're making progress. All right, well, thanks for watching another episode of SV's Auto. Make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe. You can follow us on FaceTube at SV's Auto, and we're also on Instagram. Comment below, let me know what you think about this, and stay tuned. Next time, I think we're going to pull the dash, finish that part up, get the trim off, remove the windows, and then I think we're going to go ahead and pull the engine and transmission, pull this ECU out, so that we pretty much have a clean slate to work with other than suspension components, and get this thing prepped for paint.